So I'm at the Holiday Inn Crowne Plaza, San Jose, which is actually in Milpitas. And this is room 814. It's on the quiet floor. The 8th floor is the quiet floor. So you walk in, and to the right is a very large and spacious bathroom, actually. So we've got the mirror that's up close with light, but it's not on. One sink. The products are Beekman. We've got some mouthwash and towels and hair dryer, kind of the normal toilet, bathtub with a big shower head. So there's the bathroom. And then we come out here, there's a bench with a full-length mirror. This is a little curtain that opens for the closet. There's an ironing board, robe, and that's all. And then we've got the king bed. So you come over to this side. We've got a lamp, reading lamp, right by the bed. Your little nightlight lamp, an iHome stereo, some outlets right next to the bed, and maybe a top sheet. I can't quite tell. So we've got a coffee maker, ice bucket. Doesn't look like there's a refrigerator. TV, desk area with phone, little chair seating area. This side also has outlets on the side of the bed. And then the view, I'm on the 8th floor, so I mean, you have a little bit of the mountains and then kind of San Jose area, Milpitas area. So this is room 814 at the Crowne Plaza in Milpitas. So I missed this little wind down gift that they give you, which is a soothing face wipe and then a lavender mist to help you go to sleep at night. So this is the gym at the Crowne Plaza, and there is a bathroom, but then there's also a flow water dispenser, so you can bring your own water bottle. They have towels, and then ellipticals, treadmills, some free weights, and then some bikes over here, and then some kettlebells, medicine balls, things like that.